having us today?
Oh,
Ryan. What's up, bro? How you doing? Sir. Good morning. What up, man?
Pleasure to meet you.
You guys got cool firefighter outfit jacket for you. What's up, everybody?
Dad picked you up in a fire truck? How cool. Kanye is here to pick up the kids to take them to school. He loves to do that.
Did you tell Sainty?
No.
So, of course, in his very in a full fire truck. God, is this not the coolest thing ever? Who gets to ride in a fire truck? I don't think anyone has ever done this before, ever.
Well, probably not the school, but firefighters did.
No matter what we're going through, I always want my kids to be around their dad as much as possible and just to have their mornings with dad and get dropped off at school.